Let's talk about scoring a chart. So I'm looking at the scouting report this week, and I was looking at some of the picks down here, and really good looking picks on the scouting reports this week. One that caught my eye that would be a good example for us is Boston Scientific, BSX. So I'm going to come down here, and as we score the chart, the general idea is we basically give a point to every technical condition that favors the bullish movement. So you basically keep a running tally. So for example, we see that this chart here is making higher highs and higher lows. We can see that we're in an established upward trend and that we have an increase in momentum. So let me highlight that here if I can. So we got a nice higher high and higher low. And then the last move popped, really gave us a nice pop up there. So we're in an uptrend. So that gets, a point. So we give it a point for an uptrend with an increasing momentum. We give it a point for the 4-day pullback we see right here. That's a point. That's on decreasing volume. We'd give that a point. With slowing momentum on the candlesticks right there, that's a point. And we have a green signal candle. That's a point. So we've got 5 technical conditions or criteria. And, I could go look at where perhaps I have this. Let's go look at this in Thinkorswim real quick here. And let's pop it in there, BSX. And here, we got a moving average as well. We're riding off the 9-period moving average. So we've got, 5 points, 6 points. And if you can't get at least 5 points on the technical chart, you really don't have a trade. The more the merrier. If I were to throw up a Fibonacci ratio and figure out that was a Fibonacci ratio, that could be a point. If we saw upward tick in volume on confirmation and you were to spot it that day, you might give that a point. But again, scoring a chart is just a real simple method of keeping a running tally of all the positive technical conditions that confirm our trend directional bias.